Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply 88. Today we have for you a very rare attachment. You don't find these on the used market very much at all. This is a 7-foot Bobcat grader attachment. These attachments can be equipped with a laser setup. This does not come with a laser setup. I'm just going to tell you that right up front. You can buy a laser setup from Bobcat. There's also, I believe, a company named Topcon out there. You can get a laser setup from them. This grader is in very, very nice condition. It's not used much at all. There is no wear on the cutting edge, but we're going to show you all that in a second. The main purpose of this video today is to give you a 360-degree view of this attachment. We have it hooked right here to a 763G skid steer, and we are actually going to operate the blade left to right, tilt, do everything it's supposed to do to show you that everything works. We're going to go ahead and start walking you around. Right here, it is a standard 2-pin skid steer quick attach. Will fit any modern skid steer out there today, whether you have a Bobcat, a Caterpillar, a John Deere, a Daewoo, whatever. As long as you have the standard 2-pin quick attach, it'll fit on. Does come with your hoses and flat face couplers. It also runs off a 7-pin electrical control device. Now, if you have a Bobcat brand skid loader and don't have a 7-pin, as long as you're a G series or newer, don't fret that. You can buy the 7-pin. I keep one here for machines for testing attachments. They're about $120 and it hooks right in the back of your machine. Just takes a few minutes. If you don't have a 7-pin, it's very easy to make a control kit for this. No big deal at all. So this blade also is offsettable. By taking loose these 4 bolts, you can offset this blade. I believe it's 3 hole sizes. If you needed to do some type of a deep grade on the side of a ditch, you can offset the blade left to right. No problem there at all, but it is a manual offset. The blade tips, each cylinder is independent. Tips left to right, angles left to right. Up front here you'll see this has an oscillating front axle, so that as you change terrain levels, you're still staying level with your blade. Over here, and we're going to be 100% honest with you, this blade has never been used much at all, but from setting, there's a couple little pits on some cylinders. It does not affect anything. They're not leaking. It's just I'm pointing that out so everybody understands that. And this blade is not welded, busted, aerosol overhauled, anything like that at all. If you see down here, the cutting edge is original. It is a reversible cutting edge. It has never been turned. Whenever this edge is wore, you simply unbolt, flip him around, and you have a brand new cutting surface. There is still paint up here on the top of the blade and down here. And again, this blade doesn't have any time on it at all. It's unbelievable condition. There's one little ding right here at the top of the blade. Walking on around to this side, you can see over here everything's in nice condition, nothing's welded and busted, and again it is original paint. This time I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start the skid steer. I'm going to tilt it and work it for you and show you all the aspects of it that way. gives you an idea what you can do with this blade. There's many angles you can cut. I have a lot of customers that we have actually sold some of these to, and it's always good to get feedback from your customers. I have one gentleman that bought one of these blades from me in Kansas City. He saved in one job alone in stone. He was poured in a big pad. The amount of stone that he saved on that job by using this grader paid for the grader and more. This grader set up today, you're well over $15,000 from a Bobcat dealer. And again, this is a late model, nice clean straight grader. You can see here that it operates, there's no questions. We go a little above and beyond the normal eBay auction. We like to show stuff working and hooked up, and that's how we do it here at Mark Supply 88. If you have any questions on our Bobcat 7-foot grader attachment for your skid steer loader, please give us a call here at Mark Supply 88 or shoot us an email. We'll be glad to assist you in any way. We can ship this grader absolutely no problem at all. And so everybody knows this up front, if we go to ship this to you, we will remove the blade from the carriage and it will be positioned underneath the grader for shipping purposes. And shipping on something like this wouldn't be as bad as you think. We'll be glad to get you a quote, won't cost you a dime. So if you have any questions, again, 814-658-3066. Give Mark or Nick a call. Thanks for checking out Mark Supply 88. Happy eBaying.